What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1960 Impala. This one here has a 348 up under the hood, 4-speed transmission. Give you a good look at the motor. What we're going to be doing in this video is walking around this car, pointing out any kind of flaws. This one here, it needs a paint job, as you can see. It's oxidized real bad, but you can actually see what's up under before you paint it, see what it needs. And we're gonna go over any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying. Headliner's been redone, but they left you with all the old panels and the old headliner in here. We'll go ahead and check the trunk while we're back here. You can see it's probably gonna need a trunk pan. It's got a few rust issues in the trunk there. It's a very large trunk. We do have detailed pictures of all of this online as well. It's probably gonna need a seal around the trunk. Still solid. Me looking up under everything, checking everything out, kind of giving you an idea here. Get you sideways, sorry guys. Definitely the biggest trunk on the lot right now. Go ahead and shut it down here. Shuts down nice and easy. We get these kind of cars in every single day. Some need more work than others, and some are pretty much ready to go. This one here, you could get in and drive down the road, pretty much take you anywhere you want. It runs and drives awesome, but it does have some cosmetic issues, as you can see. Doors are shutting nice and tight. Nice set of wheels and tires on it. Looks like the exhaust has been redone up underneath. I'll be giving you some undercarriage shots here in a moment. All right, getting ready to get started here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information. Shipping, we can ship all over the country. And hit that subscribe button. That way you can see all these cars as soon as they're posted. Front bumper's in pretty good shape. It's definitely not brand new. Headlight bezels look great. The grille looks good other than the center right here. Looks like they got a little piece that broke. We're going to be looking for any major rust issues, dents, scratches, because you can already see it needs a paint job here. Front fender's not in bad shape. The trim doesn't look too bad around the windows. The window's nice and clean. You can see the roof, paint's just peeling off, but it's not all rusted out. Getting low down here. We're going to check some of these corners. It's definitely going to need some body work. Light scratches going down the side. Where there is rust issues is most common areas right here, the bottom of the door. There's a spot right here as well. Right above some of this trim's bubbling out. The tires on this thing are new all the way around. The wheels are in great shape. Back windows looking pretty good. All the windows rolled down nice and easy. It was about 100 degrees here in Tennessee today, so I got this thing out, rolled the windows down, and went inside for about 20 minutes, let it cool off. Dual exhaust coming out the back. I love the way these cars look in the back end. A few little spots popping up above the trim again on this side. A little dent in the trim here. Looking at the bottom of the car, this side looks solid. It's pretty good. Just the passenger side that needed a little bit of work, from what I could tell. All right, we've made it all the way around the car here. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out and then get you some undercarriage shots. Door opens nice and easy. Got that red carpet in it with the white interior. Weather strip, it's quite old, needs to be replaced. Check the bottoms of the doors. Carpet's, you can show it, it's showing signs of age. Not in perfect shape. Same with the seat. It's not in perfect shape, but it's not all tore up either. Package tray's new, headliner's new. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This is a 4-speed car here. Go ahead and start it up here. Like I said, it starts up easy. All your gauges are coming up. Your oil pressure's right at 50. Shoots up to 60 there. Engine temp's about 130 right now. Leave the radio on, see if it starts working. Probably won't. That looks pretty original. May have to have the key for that one. No? Extra door handles, cranks for the windows. Try the fan motor, see if it blows. I don't think the fan's working here. Windshield wipers. Well, I don't think they're working either. Let's try the horn out. There's no spring in here, so it's definitely not gonna work. I'm gonna leave the windshield wipers on a second, and we'll see if they get to work, and I'm gonna mess with the motor in there. Go ahead and say the windshield wipers are going to need some repair. We'll cut that switch back off. Motor's nice and quiet. The belt was a little squeaky there. Go ahead and shut the hood down. Hood's coming down nice and easy. Man, that thing's hot. Woo! It's a scorcher out here today. Hinge was sitting a little bit high there for a second. All right guys, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots and then we're gonna go for a test drive. Be looking for that test drive video. It'll be located at the last 30 seconds of this one. Or you can just type in 1960 Impala Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. We'll start up here in the front. We're gonna go to the passenger side, hit the rear and the driver's side, and we'll call it a day. Also have detailed photos at maplemotors.com. Definitely check that out. That way you can get more thorough pictures of underneath. Do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. You can see all of our inventory at maplemotors.com, financing information, and yes, shipping. So you can see that Impala sitting up on one of our shipping trailers right now, heading out. We do ship cars out of here every single day. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.